How to activate Lowe's credit card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. For this, you need to launch a preferred browser and search for Lowe's credit card. Now you need to tap on the option of Lowe's rewards card account. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of your Lowe's. Now, in order to log in into your account, you need to scroll at the top. Select the option of Sign In. Tap on where it says Sign In option. When you select on the Sign In option, you need to enter credential, that is your username and your password associated with their account. If you have forgotten your credential, you can just select on Forgot Password, to which it will send you an email regarding of the email address that you have input on your Lowe's. Now, if you are new to it and if you want to apply, you can just select the Apply Now button. Did you know Lowe's credit card actually offers an everyday discount? You can get up to 5% discount on almost all purchase with no annual fee for having the card. Also, if you are a new card holder, you will get a bonus of up to 20% off your first purchase with a maximum discount of $100 as of this new year. And that is all for this video as well. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.